Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see how you can utilize the retire.js BWAP or Burp suite extender, extension, whatever you want to call it. So this will be helpful when you're running onto any target. At that particular time, you can just run a passive scan onto that target, and Burp suite will automatically scan for all the URLs and identify the JS links, which is a JavaScript links into that particular target, and will also scan the target in case if they are running an outdated version of JS. It will give you an alert or an issue that this particular target is running this outdated vulnerable version of JS and is vulnerable or exploitable to this particular CVE. So how to do that? First, you just need to come to portswigger retire.js URL. So you can just search retire.js portswigger, which should redirect you over here. And now you can see download BWAP at the bottom. So you can download the BWAP from there, and you can import the BWAP into the Burp suite as well. Or the second and the most easiest way is, after you have started your Burp suite, then just go to the B app store, and here you can find retire.js. Now we just need to install this particular extension into our Burp suite and we are good to go. One thing you should remember, this extension is only for the pro users. As you can see over here, it says pro extension, which means it will only work for the Burp suite professional version. All right, so you just need to go to extender B app store, search for retire.js and click on install. It will just take some seconds and it will install this particular BWAP into your Burp. Now, if any one of you who does not have a professional version of Burp suite, no need to worry. You can still use the extension. It totally is same. It is exactly the same and gives the same result. So no need to worry if you do not have a professional version of Burp suite. Now you have installed it. So you just need to start a passive scanning on any particular target. So for that, first let us check if Burp extensions retire.js is installed, and you can see over here it is successfully installed and it has not given any errors. Now to use this extension, you just need to go to your proxy tab, choose any target that you want. So let's say we are going to choose a target which is test PHP. So let me search for this particular target. Okay, looks like I have not configured the proxy. Let me quickly set up the proxy. Let me give the same port. Yeah. Now let me reload it. I have got the request over here. Right click, send to repeater, right click. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a scan. You can do an active scan or you can do a passive scan as well. When you're running the active and the passive scan, the extension will automatically crawl the target URLs and will identify for the older versions of JS in case they are being running onto the target web application. And over here into the issues tab, it is going to give you an issue saying that issue found using retire.js, and this particular JavaScript is vulnerable to this particular exploit. So I hope you guys understood this, and it is very simple to use this extension, and it has turned out to be very useful sometimes when you just simply get the outdated version of jQuery, and based on that you perform a XSS onto that particular target. So I hope you guys understood this. Thank you.